What's up, guys? My name is Steve Daniel. Welcome to the channel. If you're here right now, thank you for clicking. This channel will be about helping content creators, so photographers, videographers, graphic designers to make money. Why am I in a good position for that? Because I've been doing it for 3 years full time, and I was able to travel the world, work with amazing brands, and all the knowledge and everything that I've learned, I want to give it back to you guys. So just to start, please subscribe and leave me a comment about what hustle you do. Are you a photographer, videographer, graphic designer? Today's episode, I want to talk about ways to make money as a content creator. So guys, let's get it started. Why I think it's important for people to know how to make money is because sometimes people are scared. So the first tips I can give you is don't be afraid to put a price to your work, right? Sometimes it might happen, people will reach out to you asking you to maybe help them create a graphic, take photos for them, take videos. If people come up to you, it means that they need you. So don't be afraid to put a price to it. It's obvious that sometimes you don't know what price to put to it, but I feel like you have your work, you have your talent, you pay for your equipment, you pay for your time. This is the skills that you guys have. So don't be afraid to put a price to it. I remember when I started, I used to charge very low when it comes to my photography services or my videography services. To a point where, you know what, it could have been for free, but no, I just want people to value it a bit more. So that's why I had to put a price to it. From there, I was able to increase my price and see if people are serious or not. Because sometimes what happens is if you don't put a price to it, people will reach out to you and ask you for a lot of things, and you're gonna end up being tired and overworked for free. For free. I have to admit, I understand that in the beginning it's important to work for free, but if you really want to make money as a content creator, if you're a photographer, you're a videographer, and you want to make money, you have no choice to at least put a price to it. Secondly, if you want to make money as a content creator, you have to be sure that people can see your work. People can find what you're doing. So you have to create a portfolio. Why is it important? Because people need to see what type of work you can do. What type of videos have you done in the past? For me, I saw a big increase in my business the moment I start putting my photos on social media. I start sharing on my Instagram, on my website, different work that I've done in the past, the brands that I've worked with. And I've realized that the companies and the people that come up to me, they're like, oh, okay, they value you more. They value more respect from it. And people can actually see what you've done, right? Imagine, you want to work with someone, you have the choice of two photographers. One is apparently better than the other, but one has a portfolio and the other one is only like maybe just like the street credibility of, yeah, this guy's a dope photographer. Okay, he might be a dope photographer, but me, I need the work to be done. And one of them already showed me the picture, but the other one doesn't show me what he can do. So guys, making a portfolio is actually one of the first things you should focus on. And building a portfolio doesn't take that much time. You can reach out to your friends to ask them maybe to be your model. You can go outside if you're a videographer. For me, I remember my first content as a videographer was my lifestyle. Was, let's say, I would go to travel sometimes, or just going around the city and show what I could film and make short movies. This is some content that you can create for them. When people want to see your work, you show it to them, and that's good. They're gonna love the work, and this will actually help you get more clients and make more money as a content creator. Then don't be afraid to reach out, guys. You actually have people that come to you, or you have to go get it. You're a photographer, you're a videographer, you want to make money, you have to go get it. You have to reach out to people. You have to send some messages, send DMs, send emails. You're lucky that we're right now in an era where you don't need to do much cold calls, right? A lot of people are accessible on social media, one message away. I remember at the time, I used to work in a company where I had to do over 500 cold calls a day. It was a telecom company, and this was crazy. We had to sell the service of just like phone lines and internet, and I remember I used to be afraid of the phone because you have to call someone and that person don't even know who you are, right? And you'd be like, hey, hello, my name is Steve Daniel. I'm calling you for this company and I want to sell you some phone lines for your business. And when you think about it, this was so cold because I'm calling somebody that has no clue who I am, doesn't even want me to call them, and I'm trying to sell them something. Thank God I was still able to sell them something. But think about it right now, the way it is. If you reach out to someone on social media, there's your name. They can see your profile. They can see how many friends you have in common. They can see the work that you put in. So they can then decide if they want to answer to you or not. But you have way more chance of success compared to just a cold call that I had to do in the past. Market yourself. This is the other trick that I want to talk about. Marketing yourself is the same way as the portfolio in a way, but it's actually to be able to put it out there more. So I'm talking about maybe creating a website, Squarespace. My website is on WordPress, for example. Making an Instagram page just to showcase exactly the work that you want to do, exactly what needs to be, like exactly what you're doing for people to push, for people to share, right? Your circle of friends, the word of mouth is one of the best ways to market yourself. So once you have your website, once you have a social media page with your work on it, you can actually have your friend sharing it and be sure that this will bring business to you. Do you need a website? I got some nice gig with my website as an influencer or as a blogger, but I feel like you can just start with an Instagram, right? A Facebook page. Those are good ways to start right now, and it's free. Those are free things to do. It doesn't cost you $1 to create an Instagram page and to show your work, right? It doesn't cost anything. It's free, and you can do that today. So guys, please do it today. If you're afraid, don't be afraid, you know. The aesthetics, you don't need to care about that. At least be able to have somewhere where you can put your work. And finally, this is actually one of the way that I was able to very scale my business as a content creator. Because don't forget, I'm a photographer, I'm a videographer, I'm a blogger. I'm basically a jack of all trades, and that's why I want to use all the things I've learned over the past years to share it down to you guys. And this is about collaboration. So what I mean by collaboration is maybe work with other photographers so they can show you what's happening, the way they work. You can learn from them. And sometimes when you team up with a friend, this is actually better for you to scale your business, to be able to make money. And from there, you'll be able to create a name for yourself. I've worked with a lot of photographers in Montreal, a lot of videographers, just to learn. Because let's be honest, 3 years ago, I had no skills. I didn't know how to do anything. I didn't know how to do photos, videos. I wasn't even a blogger, right? But over the years, I'd worked and collabed with a lot of people in that industry. A lot of people that were like you watching this right now, creators, and be able to learn from that and to be able to work on my skills and become better and be able to make money. That being said, I feel like I share a lot for you guys, and I'm curious to know, like I said in the beginning, what type of content creator are you? Let me know in the comments below what type of question you have for me, because the goal of this channel is simple. I want to use this channel to help content creators making money. For me, for the past 3 years, like I said, I've been doing that full time, and I just love the freedom that I have. The fact that I can decide and wake up every day and live a lifestyle that I like. And I feel like this channel goal is really to help you build a community together. We can have more freedom together. We can work together, have fun, and be able to live a life that we like. That being said, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you for the next episode. Till then, enjoy your day. Peace.